Oh, is this your gift for me? Oh my god. His gift is a trash bin. Is this my trash bin?
It's not that bad. It won't be that hard.
Okay.
I promise.
Okay.
This video is supported by Audible, your go-to place for audiobooks. If you want to learn more about zero waste living, check out the book Zero Waste Home by Bea Johnson. You can download it for free with a completely free 1-month trial to Audible using the link in the description box below. Feel free to download any book of your choice. Now let's get started with the video. So for this past week, I decided to try the Zero Waste Challenge. Because I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to this topic, I decided to bring in my friend Rick in order to help me figure out how I can navigate through this week. Hello everyone, so I'm here with my friend Rick.
Hello.
AKA _tidy guy on Instagram.
That's confusing.
Link is down below to his Instagram page. So I brought him in because I don't know much about zero waste living and I'm about to embark on this zero waste journey. And so I need as much help as I can possibly get. Can you help me?
I'm here to help you.
Okay.
So what in God's name is zero waste?
In its simplest definition, like in its lifestyle application, zero waste is minimizing the amount of trash you send to the landfill. Okay. One of the #1 sources of landfill waste is plastic. Believe it or not, 90% of plastic that you put in the recycling bin actually isn't recycled.
Where does it go?
It ends up either in the landfill or it somehow ends up in the oceans along the way.
I need tips.
Okay.
Like, I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, I have some guidance for you.
I need guidance.
So I boiled it down to the 5 R's.
Okay.
So you might have grown up thinking and remembering like reduce, reuse, recycle.
Yes.
So there's 2 more. The #1 that's going to help you on your zero waste journey is refuse.
Refuse?
Yeah.
I don't want to refuse.
Refuse unnecessary single-use plastic.
Okay. So what's the second biggest thing?
Reduce.
Okay.
Not liking these are. Reduce means minimizing the amount of things that you need, essentially. Reduce the amount of, say, like fast fashion clothing items that you purchase.
Okay. Yeah, I got this at a consignment
You're
store.
already winning.
Yes.
But a few days later.
Hello, are you busy?
What's up?
Okay, I just have a very quick question.
Sure.
You might think it's stupid.
Okay.
If I shop at Winners, is that zero waste? Do you think Winners is fast fashion? Is my question. I think I'm just trying to make an excuse to buy something.
Third is reuse. So
Reuse.
basically cut back on a lot of single-use plastics that you're refusing. Like when you're reducing things, it doesn't have to be as hard to reduce your consumption of things if you have reusables. So reusables being your own water bottle, produce bags, things that are durable.
So I successfully bought some bulk items in my reusable produce bags. My bag is full. And then wait, there's recycling.
Recycle. Not to discourage recycling. It's okay to buy things in glass packaging. It's okay to buy things that are in metal packaging or cardboard. These things have a higher likelihood of being recycled.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And with paper, if you get something that's not lined with plastic, you can actually compost it, which is the final R is rot. So
Rot.
compost the rest. If you really master zero waste, at the end of the day, a lot of your waste is going to be compost.
Okay.
Something that helps people go zero waste when they're first transitioning is doing a trash audit. And so I've kind of put together a little bit of a challenge for you. So
Ooh, I love challenges.
So you're going to be trying to minimize your waste for the week. 1 sec.
Is this my trash bin?
For your zero waste week, what you're going to try to do is only produce this amount of trash in a week. It's attainable.
I think it's attainable.
And then at the end of the week, we're going to open the jar and then see what is your biggest source of waste. Yeah.
Oh, a trash audit.
Yeah.
I love it.
Anything that can be composted, things that genuinely can be recycled, glass products genuinely can be infinitely recycled. Be kind to yourself where you can. So those are the things that don't go in there. Basically, all single-use plastic is going to go in there.
It can't be that hard.
Right.
I want to eat this, but it's plastic.
Day 1. It's 7 o'clock and I'm realizing how much I'm wasting without realizing. Every time I went to the bathroom, I would just wash my hands and I would just take paper towels. It was pretty much like I was on autopilot. It was something I was so used to. So I would just wash my hands and then I would just take the paper towel. And I only realized it after the fact and I was like, no. Huh, yeah, it's a learning process. There's already stuff in my drawer, so, whoops. Day 1. This is not good. This is not good.
You know what they say, fail to prepare, prepare to fail. So I'm gonna pack this along with these produce bags in my backpack and just keep it in my backpack so that I don't forget to bring it.
It is day 2 and I finished this packet of gum. There's gonna be a lot of things that I finished this week, I feel like, so that'll be great. Where's my jar? Can I recycle this? This is recyclable. Yeah, that's recyclable.
Doing this challenge really made me realize how much plastic there is. Even just the produce section, everything felt like it was wrapped in plastic. I found the bulk aisle. Now what do I do? Oh my god, I can do this.
So I successfully bought some bulk items in my reusable produce bags, but they printed these labels, so I guess that goes into my trash bin. Luckily it's pretty small, so it's better than actually just buying not bulk. You produce less waste. Far away. This nectarine is crap.
So the groceries I bought were actually for a video I was filming, and I kept it almost zero waste, other than the box of pasta that I bought, which had a little bit of plastic. Everything else I kept zero waste.
I'm gonna attempt to make oat milk now, which I've never made before. I've never actually tried to make any form of a plant-based milk homemade, so wish me luck. Oh Lord. Okay.
The video I filmed was a Whole Foods plant-based recipes video, so the whole zero waste thing came in really handy because when you do zero waste, it turns out you have to eat a lot healthier because a lot of things that are bad for you are actually wrapped in plastic. If you guys want to check out my Whole Foods plant-based recipes video, I will link that below. But yeah, most of the things I used in that video are zero waste friendly.
Rose received a little gift from Mother Nature.
So I got my period. The good thing is I actually use a menstrual cup. Very environmentally friendly and all that good stuff.
Wow.
But for some reason, I can't really figure out how to get it to not leak. Is this TMI? So basically I have to use a liner. Long story short. So the liner wrapper is gonna go into my trash bin along with my floss from last night. I'm not gonna put my dirty liner into the trash bin, but this does remind me to get a reusable, washable liner for the future, one step at a time. So one of the issues I have is that I actually receive so many products in packages because I get things shipped to me because of the nature of my job and what I do. So I get a lot of random packages. I also get packages from my own shopping, but it's usually actually from companies that I'm working with. That kind of stuff I feel like I can't really control, you know? Some of it's recyclable depending on the company, depending on what they're sending me, but a lot of shopping online comes with a lot of plastic packaging, bubble wrap, things like that. So it's a bit of a tough one. That's really tough. So it is a bit tough doing what I do, but I think the point is that you try to do the best that you can at that moment. Just work with what you have and what you can do at that moment. If you don't need a plastic bag at that moment, don't take it. You know, these little things, if many people do it, make a huge difference. Look who's failing at zero waste. What is this? This is Eric's disaster. So I said I wanted coffee and then he left and then I realized that it was gonna create waste. So then I called him and I was like, okay, I don't want coffee. And then you should, at that point, that should have clued in. That should have been first clue that you shouldn't have done that.
Well, when it's first thing in the morning, you're not thinking straight.
I mean,
the only thing that you're thinking about is just coffee and food.
You lose.
This is bad.
I think I'm winning this challenge. This is from opening up a bottle of vitamins.
One thing that I noticed was that it definitely requires a lot of planning, a lot of thinking ahead, just you being very fully aware. The phrase, fail to prepare, prepare to fail, has never been truer.
My bag is full. It seems that the key is to always be prepared and mindful every time you leave your house. Maybe you want to get a coffee or you want to get something to eat or you want to go grocery shopping. So you basically have to have like a bag full of things to leave the house. So yeah, a backpack, a big bag. It's probably a necessity in this lifestyle. Alright guys, good news is that I feel super prepared. I'm having my coffee in my portable mug. I also put the smoothie in my water bottle, which worked really well, so I have that in my bag. If I shop at Winners, is that zero waste? Do you think Winners is fast fashion? Is my question.
It tends to be like an outlet for like the discarded merchandise from fast fashion retailers.
So wouldn't that contribute to a positive impact? I think I'm just trying to make an excuse to buy something.
It's not supposed to be like a challenge in depriving yourself.
I want to buy these things called Spanx. Have you heard of Spanx?
Yeah, for the wedding.
Yeah.
So funny. You should ask around and see if anyone has a pair that they could lend you.
A few moments later.
I found the Spanx. And I really want it. And most of this is recyclable other than this plastic part. I feel like this is not something I can find secondhand. I'm trying to make excuses, but I think I'm gonna get it. Whew. Alright guys, I did buy the Spanx. Bad news is I have trash and it's plastic. This, I presume I can recycle. Good news is I wasn't a total zero waste fail today. Today I did go to the consignment store and I bought some clothes at the consignment store. So I feel like that kind of does something better. I'll show you guys what I got. I am pretty obsessed with consignment stores nowadays, so it wasn't really that much of like a, oh my god, this closet door. There we go. I've been really enjoying shopping at consignment stores in general, even way before this challenge. So me going to a consignment store is nothing new. I love it. Yeah, I'll show you guys some things that I got and I only spent $50. So I got this cute little dress. I also got this dress, which is a little short. It's a bit confusing. I thought it was like a little bit too short, but I can probably wear it with some leggings. I think it's so adorable. And this was only $10. Let me show you. Look how cute. Yay. So cute. And it has a little opening in the back. And these shoes, guys, $5. What? $5 shoes. They're super high and I love wedges, so I had to get these. They're so cute. I don't know when I'm gonna wear this, but one day. So yeah, I love consignment stores. I really urge you, if you are someone that wants to do less fast fashion shopping, definitely go to a consignment store because I feel like the clothing pieces are so much more unique. You can get a really good deal and it's nice to, like, you know, reuse things that other people may have thrown away. Think about how many clothes are made and how many clothes are in stores. So this is from my Spanx purchase. I guess that goes in here. That's quite a lot. Oh guys, it's getting pretty full. And then this is from my panty liner. Kind of looks artsy. I made a critical error, guys. I made a critical error. I'm at the liquor store. They were giving away samples of, what is this, Palm Bay?
Yeah. And I just took this plastic cup without thinking. Now I have waste to put in my jar. Damn it! We do so many things without even thinking, without even considering how much waste it may be producing. And I think that is the problem with the way that we live our lives in general. Once again, I would like to thank Audible for supporting this channel. If you guys are interested in getting a completely free audiobook, don't forget to check out the link down below. And of course, stay tuned for part 2 of my Zero Waste Week challenge.